I spent 2 days in this city full of modern creations. I had a coffee made by a robot arm. I went to a shopping mall looks like it's been built in the middle of a jungle. I had a drone delivering food to me in the middle of the city park. And there is this magical world that changes to your actions. As I walked out of the metro and took the elevator up to the Gangxia North Metro station, a giant blue hole looks like an alien ship was right above me. So this thing is called the Eye of the Sky. This station cost $1 billion to make, and average daily passenger exceeds 22 million. The passenger flow is just non-stop. So there are 19 exits. It looks more like an ant's nest. So this is the Sea Future City in Shenzhen. Let's go.
老板说我的公司只够交电费，他是不是在坑我？
And he was complaining about his salary. The boss just don't give him a lot. 你可以点一下头，阿芳。
我在，我没听清楚，请再说一次。
This is just a plant, and you can even see the root. 你好，请问这个是真的吗？这个籽，哦，是假的植物。I was surprised how the plant actually survived like that. I do so many of these little robots hanging around the city. I don't know what they're doing. There are plenty of digital screens in the city, but check this one out. It's a 3-story high waterfall. So this is not just a normal screen. You actually react to my motion. Feels like a space shower. This is how it's gonna be. So this is another motion-sensitive screen. It is said that the more people going past this corridor, the more flower petals will actually fall off. Behind me is the Team Lab Future Park exhibition. I'm the magician here. Different symbols could turn into different nature creations. You can feel like a creator of the world.
然后这种绿色的积木的话，相同积木的话可以连成一条新的轨道出现的。
This room allows you to construct your own transportation system in this small town. And this room feels like an arcade game room. The rain could cause reactions and you could move them with your shadow. This is my favorite room. You could choose a model and make your own design. Then your creation will actually show up in this little world. This is my space rocket. Move! So all the vehicles in here, including houses, airplanes, everything is created by people painting on the paper. If they are too slow, whip them like a horse. And it's not always peaceful here. Get your fighters into battle. This is what I thought is a space rocket, but it turns out to be an apartment house. That's why on the screen it's not moving. But if you want something cool, definitely get the fighter. If you like flowers and whales swimming in the air, then this place will be your fantasy. Wanna get a face painting? This place reminds me of the Hell Divers, the game, all the monster eggs. But these must be cute monsters. Okay, back to the childhood. Ready, set, go. I just randomly bumped into an AI screen in a random train station in Shenzhen.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name? Hello, can we be friends? You are weird. This woman is so calm. This is the calmest woman I've ever met in the world. I came across a restaurant in the middle of the shopping center. It is designed to look like a space. There is even a big caged zone flying from time to time. So even ordering food, we're gonna use WeChat and scan this barcode. Oh, so it's ordered through this app. And all the food is delivered on a space path to your planet. This invention is so cool, so no more heavy loads for the waiters and waitresses. This just feels like a futuristic dining. So almost every shop here, it seems like it's built out of some kind of plant. This is my favorite plant, look at this. Is this Garfield? Does that mean this is a male cat? Despite everything here look really good together, but some of the major trees and some of the plants here are actually fake. So this is for Macca's delivery person. So the person don't actually have to collect the food from the counter anymore. They just collect from here. feels like eating a burger and charge your phone at the same time. Let's get a normal latte. Okay, hot. Let's go. So 11.9, 2059, that's mine. Oh, this thing started already. Look at this guy. So the robot arm mainly does the cup handling process, and the coffee machine is an automatic coffee machine. Whatever order you put through the system, it will go straight to that machine. And then the robot arm will put a lid on it and make sure the lid is secure. To pick up the coffee, you gotta use the barcode after you purchase the coffee showed on your phone and then scan through the machine. Then your coffee gate will open. This. I got my first robot-made coffee here. It tastes like coffee. Behind me is the drone food delivery spot in the middle of the park. Oh, I can hear it. Where is it? Oh look, that's my dude. That's my food. Oh, hello. Yes, land here. Alright, cool, let's go pick it up. It's not here yet. Oh, where are you going? Oh, this guy's going. Alright, bye. Oh. Look at this. I got my first drone food delivery. Oh, so this box is well packaged. So that's my food. So I gotta unfold it. So pull it up here, back in here. Let's check out this food. So you got rice. Oh, that's soy sauce chicken. Check this out. Wow, it's tomato and egg. Oh, there's veggies. Stir-fried veggie and garlic. So all these, it's only for less than 40 yuan, which is less than $8. No spill, no break, and within 20 minutes in the middle of the park. Let's try this. The flavor just like the restaurants. Wow, so does that mean that food delivery people is gonna lose their job very soon? So I'm right in front of the Huachang Digital Electronic World. Now this place, before online shopping goes viral, anything to do with digital electronics, if you can't get it here, you probably won't be able to get it anywhere else. Oh, these are the electronic chips. I don't know what type of chip they are, but there's just so many of them. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there's about 6 stories in total. Look at these bazookas behind me. That is the biggest I've seen so far. That looks like a copy version of Pocket 3. I wish this could be a gamepad so I can play games on this thing. That's probably a C4 attached to it. 你说他们请来的专业鼓手吗？不是。You gotta be a pro. Oh, what? Did it just flipped? This just reminds me when I was a little kid, I always go to the arcade and play these games. The King of Fighters 97. They got a just game for this.
200蚊嘅，反指甲就係8蚊。100蚊一對。
Look at this thing. I thought it was for makeup, but this is for massage. My brain needs a massage. Oh, check out this microscope. One's full. Why they have so many of these? This place is so amazing. They have all the big stuff and they have little stuff, weird stuff, funky stuff. Just anything that you probably won't even imagine what they are. This feels like the locomotive, the body sensor used to play VR games, I think. But I don't know if they are. Maybe they're just a massage pad. Look at this magic hand. This is probably the largest second-hand phone market in China.
Zhuhai pen.